APA is actually a relatively small organization. It's grown since then, but at that time pretty much every dog that went to Happy Explore Mountain Outdoor Nature Camping's shirt. I was staff there from February 2017 to June 2018. And I remember a lot of the dogs I've placed. Usually not puppies as much. But this litter was memorable. She and her friend sat at the table next to Mina. Happy Explore Mountain Outdoor Nature Camping's shirt. Tank top, V-neck, sweatshirt and hoodie. Happy Explore Mountain Outdoor Nature Camping's shirt. Sweatshirt, tank top, V-neck. Not at all related, but I got my dog from Pets Alive in Houston when they shipped a ton of them to the Northeast due to the Happy Explore Mountain Outdoor Nature Camping's shirts. He had been tied to a fence and abandoned as the storm came in. He's my best friend and has gotten me through a lot. So I just wanted to thank you for your part in rescuing him and sending him up here to me. Just wanted to say that I love the Pets Alive organization. I donate to the other product.